Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss your second chapter of political science, that is constitutional design. By the name only you can understand that what we are going to learn. It is saying that design of constitution. Okay. So that means what? That how a country decide their constitution. So here also we are going to discuss the constitution designing of two countries. First of all, you will get an idea about the constitution, how it comes in South Africa, and later on we will discuss about our country, India. So here we are going to discuss as per I have made the notes, so accordingly only we are going to discuss, and please you all go through to your book in detail. Okay, then I hope you all people will get the things. So first of all, here it is saying that after South Africa got rid of the apartheid regime in 1994, under the leadership of Nelson Mandela, democratic constitution began to be drawn up. So here you can get confused about this word apartheid. So what is apartheid? So basically before this 1994, okay, there is a policy of a racial discrimination. That means what? That in South Africa basically people are living with a black skin. Okay, so that means what? There is a racial discrimination. People get discriminated because of their skin color. So that all practices were there, and apartheid is that only. It is a practice in which there is a racial discrimination exists. Okay, so that get cancelled, or you can say that it got boycotted or removed in 1994. Okay, and that was done under the guided leadership or the guidance of Nelson Mandela. Okay, now it is saying the party that ruled through oppressive and the party that lead the freedom struggle sat together to draw up a common constitution. So here basically both of the parties sat together to form a particular points discussions for the constitution. Okay, now it is saying after 2 years of discussion and debate, they came out with one of the finest constitution of the world that we people ever had. This constitution gave its citizens the most extensive rights available in the country. Together, they decided that in search for a solution to the problems, nobody should be excluded, no one should be treated as a demon. So basically, when they were sat together and discussing that what all things should be included under the constitution, they have realized that in the priority basically people were not got treated equal. So here they are saying that nobody will be excluded, everybody will included and get treated as an equal one, not as a demon. Now the next it is saying here that a constitution is essential for the smooth running of a country. It is a set of written rules that is accepted by all people living together in a country. All countries that have constitution are not necessarily democratic, but all countries that are democratic will have constitution. So students, basically what it is, a constitution gives us the rights, okay, and it is a written format, okay, in which all the rules and regulations were mentioned of the right and duties, and whatever if you will do any crime, then according to that what is the punishment, everything is written in the constitution. So this is what it is saying here, that a constitution is very much essential for running the country.